Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 celebrity idioms in 2 minutes. Number 1. Elvis has left the building. It means the event is over, there's nothing more to expect. Example: once the judge banged the gavel and the courtroom emptied, people murmured, "Looks like Elvis has left the building." Number 2. Go full Beyoncé. It means to do something with total confidence, power, and flair. Example: she went full Beyoncé during her presentation and absolutely owned the room. Number 3. Channel your inner Oprah. It means to be warm, generous, and inspiring like Oprah Winfrey. Example: he channeled his inner Oprah and gave everyone on the team encouraging feedback. Number 4. A real Hulk moment. It means a sudden burst of anger or strength. Example: he had a real Hulk moment when the software crashed again. Number 5. Like a Kardashian. It means extremely visible, attention-seeking, or always in the spotlight. Example: the new product launch was promoted like a Kardashian, with non-stop social media posts. Number 6. It's giving Taylor Swift. It means something stylish, emotional, or perfectly polished. Example: her outfit at the party was giving Taylor Swift. Number 7. No Mariah moment. It means a situation where someone fails to reach high expectations or misses the mark. Example: the singer tried for the high note, but it was definitely a no Mariah moment. Number 8. Pull a trump card. It means to use a powerful advantage or unexpected tactic. Example: she pulled a trump card by revealing the client's approval at the last minute. Number 9. Do a Michael Jackson moonwalk. It means to back away smoothly or retreat cleverly. Example: when the argument got serious, he did a Michael Jackson moonwalk right out of the conversation. Number 10. Serve a Lady Gaga look. It means to appear bold, dramatic, and highly fashionable. Example: she served a Lady Gaga look at the awards ceremony. Now that's a wrap! You've just leveled up your English with some seriously A-list idioms. Take the quick quiz below and prove you've got that celebrity-level English. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.